everyone, it's Dan Sfera coming back to you from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, that website address is theclinicaltrialsguru.com. We try to do these interviews as often as we can, where we interview study participants or people who've just participated in trials in the past, whether they have good experiences or bad experiences. Today I'm joined by Alan. Alan's a guy I just met literally half an hour ago, and he's done studies in the past. He's done, what, three trials?
3 studies, yeah.
He's done 3 trials in the past, none of them with us at South Coast Clinical Trials. And I just thought it would be interesting to kind of get his experiences and his thoughts on clinical trials in general. Number one, Alan, so you've done three trials.
3 studies, yeah.
What was your main incentive for doing, let's say, the first trial? How did you hear about it, and then...
I heard of it from a guy named Gary Turner doing the trial with Mike Nugent and Mike Copperfield. I think that's his name, Copperfield or Copper. But anyway,
okay.
His partner. And
yeah, I don't know these guys.
So my incentive was to make money and also for the contribution to research.
Okay, so that part was important to you as well?
Yeah.
Giving back to the population who had the medical condition that you had?
Yeah.
Now, how much money did you get per visit in that trial?
Oh, I really don't remember. Let's see, I started doing it in 2003.
Oh, okay. It was an outpatient study?
Both outpatient and inpatient.
Oh, okay, so it was like a combination.
Not Cyprix, Abilify.
Oh, okay, okay. And then, so out of the 3 trials that you've done, I mean, obviously that first one must have went well, you know, for you to say, okay, I'll try another one.
Went well, yeah.
Okay. And so did you do all 3 of them with the same clinic, the same company?
Same guys.
And so you get to build a relationship with them and kind of get to know who they are, and they get to know who you are. And
yeah.
Okay, so now, did you have any bad experiences in any of the trials? Anything you can think of?
Well, the 3rd trial I was just having symptoms, I don't know why. I believe that was 2007.
And so you joined the study and the drug maybe didn't work? Do you think
maybe
you got
it didn't
placebo?
work. It might have been a placebo. I don't know. I never knew.
So what actually happened? Like,
it just seems like I was decompensating.
Decompensating.
It's hard to say.
Did you withdraw that study, or did you?
Yeah, I had to leave the study.
You left. Did you decide to leave, or did they tell you you should?
It was both.
Both ways. Okay. So here's a good example of a clinical trial being done the right way. The study participant joined the study. He may or may not have received placebo. We don't know because it's double-blind, meaning you wouldn't know and the researchers wouldn't know either.
Right.
But they started noticing that Alan was decompensating. He was getting severe symptoms of his disorder. And so they both decided that he should withdraw the trial, which is good. It's very reassuring that studies are being done the right way. You hear all these stories of people ignoring the study participants' complaints and symptoms and just keeping them in the studies. So I'm glad that you were you able to build a relationship with the study staff, and so they got to know you pretty well over time?
Yeah, they did. Yeah, I would come in, if it wasn't inpatient, I was coming in about 2 or 3 times a week, I think.
Okay. Now, anything you'd like to tell someone who's out there, maybe watching, maybe they're thinking about doing a trial, they've never done one? Any advice you can give them?
Well, you can try a study, just make sure the medication's okay for you. That's the real thing that I think you gotta do. That'd be my advice. That'd be my idea.
Just do your homework, right?
Or, yeah, just make sure you're doing okay.
Okay. Thank you, Alan, for your time, and I'm glad you had good experiences, even though with that last trial, your symptoms kind of came back, but at least the trial was conducted the right way, and it was conducted ethically, and it left a good impression, in your opinion, on clinical trials in general.
Yeah.
Very good. And this is Dan signing off from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thanks a lot.